Hello, beautiful people. Tonight we are making a wonderful dish. I think you're gonna love it, crab rangoon. These are all the ingredients, the only ingredients you will need for this dish. Cream cheese, scallions, crab meat. Quick note on crab meat. I've always been kind of a snob about it, but I've recently discovered that it goes back centuries. It's been used for years and is actually made with real fish. The other ingredients you're going to need is a little garlic, sesame oil, and soy sauce. Oh, and just for fun, I added a little fresh jalapeno and lime zest. Okay, so here's what we did. We took our cream cheese, which, by the way, should be at room temperature. We took our finely diced crab meat. We mixed it with all of our other ingredients, our scallion, our sesame oil, our garlic powder, and our soy sauce. I added a little bit of jalapeno and a little bit of lime zest. We mixed it together by hand. You don't want to do it with a mixer because you don't want to get the crab too finely diced. And when we combined all that, voila, Rangoon filling. Okay, so our next step is to fill our wontons. I did not mention earlier that you're going to be using wonton shells for these. We're going to take 1 tablespoon of our mix, place it right in the center of our wonton shell. You're going to take a little fingertip of some cool water, and you just want to go around the inside edges of our wonton. You simply fold it over diagonally to make a little triangle, and you just need to pinch it real tight so that the edges stick together. And you're going to go over it just one more time with a little zap, and you have a wee pocket all ready to go. Do I need to do that one more time?
Nope.
So our next step is we're going to fry our wontons. I am using peanut oil. You can use peanut or canola oil. I prefer peanut. They say to get the oil to 350 degrees. If you can't actually measure it by temperature, a good way to check to see if your oil is hot enough is just to take a piece of whatever you're cooking. I don't know if you can see it, but I hope you can hear it. It's starting to sizzle, so we know that our oil is ready. We have our lovely plated wontons here. Whoops, I almost dropped one in. And we're just going to gently, I'll use my hands for this part, drop them into the oil. And you can see how they're just frying up real quickly. And we're just going to do this probably not even 1 minute aside. Let's see if we can see. Oh yeah, these are going to cook quick. Drop them in, flip them over. Takes about 30 seconds to cook. There we go, and you can see we're going to just lay those on a sided sheet of paper towels to let the grease run out. Boy, this one doesn't want to come on there, does it? He wants to stay in the oil. And then we're going to do it again. Drop. And actually, my oil might be a little too hot. Anyway, again, we get that nice sizzle going right in there. And you don't want them to burn. You just want to put them in for a quick minute on the side. And maybe I need to find myself some better tongs. Okay, whoops, hold on. I think my oil is a little too hot. I've got a couple more I'm going to throw in here. Oh, now we got another nice sizzle going. And we have another round of beautiful golden, crispy fried rangoons. And I guess I should mention that you want to have a stack of paper towels on the side. Put them down there so you can drain the grease off of them a little bit. Now that our wontons are cooked, the fried rice is all cooked, we're going to plate it up, and we have a beautiful crab rangoon and fried rice dinner. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll chat soon.